So, what happens is you put the steel in concrete, this is the photograph showing steel embedded in concrete, and I have drawn here a green small green patch which indicates that some passive film or a protective layer gets formed or on the it gets formed on the steel surface the moment you immerse the steel into the concrete. Now, you cannot see it in the case of steel, we cannot see, it is very dense, colorless, dense, but it protects the further the steel below that from corrosion. Now, if steel has to corrode, it something has to break this passive film, then steel will start corroding. So, what leads to this breaking of this passive film? Chlorides, carbon dioxide. So, you can see here this is a bridge passing through ocean or marine environment. Chlorides can create problem for the passive film to break. Carbon dioxide can also lead to breaking of passive film, and of course, moisture and oxygen, they are the essential. So, these two are the essential thing for corrosion to happen. If I can prevent moisture and oxygen and also keep it very low temperature, then I cannot have, corrosion can be stopped, but which is practically impossible to achieve that in many parts of the world. There may be, if you go to North Pole, you can probably get rid of high temperature, but most of the place where we live we have moderate temperature conditions, and also you have moisture conditions. Now, so this is a picture showing in the one of the metro cities in India. You can see a lot of vehicles here, they all are actually exhausting CO2, and you have this concrete structure right above this. This is just an elevated corridor. You can see, so all these concrete will have high are actually getting exposed to high CO2. Locally you will have high CO2, maybe CO2 will diffuse into the atmosphere, but local condition, if you look at those concretes are actually getting exposed to high level of CO2, and also you have high temperature.